Hey guys, it's me, and I just legit put out a thing. One second. Some people are going, but I just came in, and I put out that much bird feed in my backyard, my feeder, and there are already birds up there. But they're like little blue jays, like babies, so I don't want to shoot them. But that's weird. Oh, this is a nice size one. Jeez. Cause like I just went out there and I noticed all the food I put on the ground is gone. Sunflower seeds are all broken into. It's just weird.
Wait. Hey, stop shuffling. Look at those. Lucy.
Yeah, so they just went away, but there's so many birds. There was like 11 came right after. Probably see them fly in a second. Just sitting up here. Thought that was kind of funny. Well, right now it's March, probably like 12th, and it's 80 degrees out and it's still winter, which I think is funny. I got scared away. But I filled my bird feeder with this good crap with like bird seeds, and then some just full out 100% sunflower seeds, and I put some on the rock down there. Oh, there's one down there on the rock, like the little ones. But it's kind of funny how they're all cracked open. They just left the shelves. And it was only probably like 3 days, and they already devoured a full thing, so I have to go get some more bird feed soon. So that's pretty much, see if I can get a kill today if any big birds come. So, I'll post a new video soon of a kill I'll probably get. So have a nice day.